Hello guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to download the YouTube videos on your device. Okay, this is a random video. Okay, I'm going to download, and what you can do is you have to type RIP. Okay, RIP youtube.com, www.ripyoutube.com slash. Okay, remaining is the YouTube URL, and just press enter. Okay, on your device. After this step, you can see over here you can download the audio from over here and the video as well. Okay, I'm downloading this 1080p video. Okay, after that you can just press on the download button like this and it will start automatically. You can see over here. If you want to download the audio, you can also download from over here. Just pressing the download button. Okay, just press the download button and just click on the download again and it will start again to download. Okay, in this way you can download the YouTube video on your device easily. Okay, let's see the output as well. Okay, as you can see, it is very clear. Okay, you can see over here the YouTube video has been downloaded successfully in our device. In this way you can download the video. Okay.